Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 24H2 update not showing in update settings. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully powered on and loaded. You'll want to wait until everything is completely ready before proceeding with any troubleshooting steps, as this ensures all system processes are running properly and can respond to the fixes we're about to apply. Once your PC is ready, let's begin fixing the issue. Navigate to your Windows Start menu, which you'll find located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. From here, type Settings into the search box and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Windows Settings menu, which is your central hub for all system configurations and adjustments. When the Settings window appears, you'll see a list of different options displayed on the left side of the screen. Look for and click on Update and Security. This section contains all the tools related to Windows updates, security features, and system troubleshooting. It's essentially where Windows keeps all the diagnostic and repair tools you'll need. After entering the update and security settings, direct your attention to the left-hand menu once again. You'll notice several options listed there. Click on Troubleshoot to access Windows' built-in problem-solving tools. These troubleshooters are designed to automatically detect and fix common system issues, including problems with Windows Update. Within the Troubleshoot section, you'll see an option that says Additional Troubleshooters. Click on this to reveal more specific troubleshooting options that aren't immediately visible in the main menu. This expanded view gives you access to specialized tools for different Windows components. Now, look through the list of troubleshooters until you find Windows Update. Click on it, and the option will expand to show you more details and actions you can take. From the expanded options that appear, click on the button that says Run the Troubleshooter. This will launch the Windows Update Troubleshooter, which will automatically scan your system for any issues preventing the 24H2 update from appearing in your settings. The troubleshooter will now begin analyzing your system and checking for problems. This process usually takes a few minutes, so give it some time to complete its scan. It will identify any configuration errors, corrupted files, or service issues that might be blocking the update from showing up, and it will attempt to fix them automatically. And that's it. You've successfully run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, which should resolve the issue and allow the 24H2 update to appear in your update settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.